Let's also go back to some late earnings that came through and the outlook ahead for some infrastructure companies. IRB Infra is on our radar. In the first quarter, the company saw high single-digit growth in toll collections, while the order inflow was a bit muted. To talk about this and the trends ahead, let's discuss it with Anil Yadav, Director in Investor Relations at IRB Infrastructure. Anil, thanks for joining in. Let's start by the trends that you're seeing in toll collections, high single digits in Q1, whether you expect a pickup and what your outlook is on toll collections for the full year.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for having me here. With respect to toll collection, we have seen a robust growth for at least for the first quarter, in spite of the June where the monsoon has started a bit early, but there was a healthy growth. And if you look at the July, we have already reported the number that was double digit, 10% growth was across the portfolio. And we are about to start with Ganga project in the second half of the year that will further boost the overall toll collection for the company. So considering the projects, Ganga will be also becoming operational. I expect double-digit kind of growth in the coming months for the overall company.
All right. Hi, Mr. Yadav. Good morning and good to see you in. So toll collection of double-digit is what you're working with. You want to throw some more color? Could it be mid-teens?
I think as of now, we are guiding only double digit because if you look at the first quarter, it was around 8% and we are expecting around 10 to 12% kind of growth in the toll collection on backdrop of the healthy collection what we have seen in the month of the July. And Palsit Dhankuni has also become operational, fully operational in the month of July, and Ganga will become in the second half of this financial year.
Got it. On the construction vertical, earlier I think you were anticipating close to 4,000 crores of revenue. Is that on track? Could you outbeat that? I think for the first quarter you've done around 1,200 crores.
So I think as you are aware that this space will have an impact on because of this in the second quarter because of the monsoon. So typically as of now, we are holding our guidance of around 4,000 crores kind of revenue for the construction segment.
Oh. Okay, all right. What about order inflows, sir? Quarter one was a little bit soft. What kind of order inflows are you penciling in for the remainder of this year and for the year on the whole?
Yeah, so if you look at the IRB, we are having roughly 30,000 crores kind of order book. And gradually our O&M order book is consistently increasing, which is 10 to 15 years kind of order, which provides 10 to 15 years kind of order visibility. And in terms of the new addition of the order book, we are transferring the three assets from the private InvIT to the public InvIT, where the private InvIT is expecting to realize roughly 5,000 crores kind of revenue with a 5,000 crores of kind of 5,000 crores kind of cash flow, which will be coming to the private InvIT. They can bid for that. Typically these projects are funded 70-30 debt equity. We can bag around 15,000 crores kind of project with that kind of liquidity coming in. And in terms of award, we have seen a muted kind of award in the till August. We expect that second half may be better in terms of the award.
Anil, this Fastag annual pass that's now active. I think it went into effect from the 15th of August. According to some estimates, and I'm looking at a CRISIL report here, it says that it could have a revenue impact of 4 to 8% on toll operators' income. What is your own assessment on how much it eats into your revenue?
I think one has to look at the concession agreement, and typically the model concession, which prescribes that if there are any changes post the award of the concession, that will fall under change in law, and whatever the losses will be there, that will get compensated under the change in law mechanism, and they will make the concessioner revenue neutral. So considering that the government has already issued the notification stating that this will fall under change in law, for us it will be a revenue neutral. We will not have any kind of loss because of the implementation of the annual pass.
Okay, all right. So no impact for you. Got that. Can you give us a sense of the overall bid pipeline for you? The opportunities you may be considering via the PPP route going forward? Just break this up. I mean, BOT, really, what will your bid pipeline look like over the course of the rest of this year?
I think in terms of, we'll start with the monetization program, which was scripted in the budget. There was the total monetization for the infra sector was around 10 trillion. Out of that, 3 trillion was allocated for the road sector. So then that was the 4 to 5 years timeline. So roughly 60 to 70,000 crores kind of monetization one can expect on a per annum basis. We have not seen any kind of monetization happening in till date. We expect that their project may be coming in the second half of the year, and there is around 45,000 crores of BOT also there, which is up for bidding. So as and when those opportunity will unfold, we will be bidding for the same.
Okay, all right, Mr. Yadav, appreciate you joining in. Thanks a lot for giving us your take on how the last quarter panned out and the way ahead.